Hey YouTube fans that I don't even have yet. Today on my vlog, I'm baking my friend's birthday cake. Yay! Okay, basically it's gonna be fat free. Check this shit out. That's the recipe. This is a box of cake mix. Usually I'm a pro baker and I bake everything from scratch, but I'm unsure of how to do the recipe. So I'm gonna use a box because I'm a cool kid like that. You know what? I don't know how to measure out 12 ounces because the only thing they had is this. So this is a big bottle. Poop. Yeah. I mean, there's 67.6 fluid ounces. I guess I could, like, divide it. But I'm not gonna do that. Cool. Okay. I don't know what to do. Check it out, I found another one. What's up, family? Okay. Hold up. I like to listen to jazz while I bake. So, oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Can you like tap it? Okay. Gonna pull this stuff. It smells like Sprite. I wonder why. Okay. Oh yeah. Getting the foam. I'm scared my my cake is gonna come out gross. 'Cause Sprite in a cake? Who would have thought? Hold up, I gotta take a picture from my blog. Oh, I have a blog too, by the way, if anybody cares. The link will be in the below bar. Boop, bloop, bloop, bloop. That's me. This is my laptop. And I'm gonna take a picture of me pouring Sprite. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh wait, I thought the picture sideways. This camera sideways. Sometimes oh my god, look, it's foaming. Oh my god. Gotta take a picture. It exploded. So now I'm gonna take a little fork and I'm gonna just stir this foamy business. Dang. I wonder if it tastes like Sprite. If you like eat it and it gets really nasty in your stomach. Let me taste it real quick. It doesn't even taste different. And now it's fat free. Yay! But now I'm probably going to be more likely to get Alzheimer's. Like my grandma. Music. I hope y'all do too. Alright. Let's stir these, guys. So hard. Okay. Is that green enough? Oh, my finger's being awkward out there. time. More blood. How's that? I love Ido. Everyday Italian. Spreading the cake. The cock. Okay, I want to vote. Which one looks better? Ooh, it's kind of slid in there. Okay, and now to put these in the oven. I didn't take a picture from my blog. BRB. These are my dogs. That's JD. He was a bad boy to stay. I put Homeward Bound on for my dogs. They actually watch it. But right now they're in there. Because I'm going to play a game. I'm going to put it right there. Lily, come on, let's play. Ready? Gambit. Gambit. Where's your bunny? Go find your bunny. Where's your bunny? Where is it? Go find it. Come here. No, it's not there. Gambit. Gambit, where's your bunny? You found your bunny. Good boy. What a cutie booty. So yeah, they're in the house. Hey Gambit. Homeward Bound. Hey Lily. What's up? And this is my tarantula. It's not mine, it's my sister's. And check out this cake I made for my friend's birthday. That's the finished product. Holla. Anyways, peace out. Right, Lily? Sit. Oh. Denied. Lily's just horny today. She's 11 years old. She's trying to hump poor J.